Hey everybody, it's your girl Sheila J, and I'm back at you with another video for today. And I figured that I can do this video while I'm pretty much at work and I have nothing really else to do. So I'm gonna try to raise up the volume on this because I might be talking a little lower than usual. But yeah, I know it's been a while since I uploaded a new video, but today's video is an unboxing video, and I'm also going to be trying these out. I'll be doing a review on these in the next coming week, and probably a blog post, but you have to wait. If you guys also want to try these are Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. If you guys want to try these, I'll put the link in the description below for you guys to try them with me. They are the world's first apple cider vinegar gummies. If you're like me, that taste of apple cider vinegar is like absolutely disgusting, but apple cider vinegar has a lot of good health properties and it's really good for you, and you like for weight loss and cleaning out your skin and detoxing and stuff like that. So but the taste of it is like absolutely horrible, so I'm looking forward to actually trying these gummies and seeing how these operate. I've been procrastinating like a lot with doing this video because I've been busy with other things, but finally doing the video. So we're gonna open these up, see and try one. You guys can see the reaction of how I feel. Comes with a little info and benefits comparison. Yeah, it comes with a little benefits comparison, so this is pretty cool. It compares the gummy to the actual vinegar. So this is like honestly really cool. Directions: you can take 2 to 3 gummies daily for your daily dose of ACV. Save 10%. I'm gonna go promo code. You get 16 gummies. It says serving size 1, but it says you could take 1 to 2 gummies up to 3 times a day daily. Up to 6 gummies a day. So you can take like 6 gummies a day. This is the bottle. Well, I'm gonna do my second. I can tell these already actually smell good, and I haven't even completely opened that. I take that good. This is the inside. These are the gummies. These are the gummies, so we're gonna see how this goes. These actually are not bad. These are actually really not that bad. These actually really taste really good, considering they have apple cider vinegar in it. These taste really, really, really good. So yeah, these are, give them a thumbs up. Really, really like them. I really, really like them. But I want to give these a full 30 days before I do another review. I'm gonna do a full 30 days. Try to take them every day, see what has improved, how I feel, in terms of what's what, and then I'm gonna do another video and a blog post, and yeah, take it from there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Let me know what else you guys want to see, what other products you think I should try. Thanks for watching.